is number 6 on your road to success, which is to have a public accountant do your tax planning. We do tax planning with our clients generally about 2 times a year. Tax planning is the process of legally reducing or postponing an income tax liability. This is done not only through the orderly process of planning the deductions of a business, but also through the legal process of altering the balance sheet to drive either profits or losses. We're not talking about anything magical or illegal. We're not talking about cheating on your taxes or any potential income tax evasion. We are talking about the orderly process of legally eliminating or postponing a potential taxable situation. If we are going to have a taxable situation, we want to save for it. Have you ever had a nasty surprise when you did your taxes? Ever ended up with a bill that you couldn't afford? Tax planning ensures that there are no ugly surprises, just the orderly and professional process of profit taking. Number 7 on your road to success as a business owner or manager is to have a public accountant do your income taxes. I can't tell you how many times I've been referred into situations where someone tried to do their own business income tax returns, or they went to an inexperienced tax preparer who didn't know what they were doing. Once completed, they submitted the return and it red flagged inside the IRS or the State Department of Revenue system. And now the client is being audited. The referred client brings them into me. I take one look at them and realize that we have a problem, a real problem. I start pointing out the obvious mistakes that were made, and the client looks at me and invariably says one thing. They say, "I had no idea." And that is the point entirely. You don't have any idea. No one that practices income tax law will ever tell you that it is either reasonable or fair. It is neither. Just because you think you should get a deduction or that you are in some way entitled to a tax break proves that you know absolutely nothing about how income tax law works. Don't make this mistake. No computer program on the planet will ever turn you into an experienced CPA or enrolled agent. Protect yourself, your family, and your business. Hire a professional that has the proper experience. Going into an audit where you will face everything from tax, interest, and penalty to possibly even jail time is no way to go through life. Get your returns done professionally and get some sleep at night. Number 8 on your road to success is to handle your employees and independent contractors properly. These tax laws have changed dramatically in the past few years. As a result, this set of laws is commonly broken by customers that don't get the proper advice or have the right experience. Treating an employee as an independent contractor is one of the easiest ways for the government to hit you with a huge tax liability that can shut your business down. Not making your payroll tax deposits timely or filing your returns can lead to the same result. In most instances, the trustee portion of those liabilities cannot be reduced or forgiven. Even if you filed a business and a personal bankruptcy, many of these liabilities cannot be discharged in the United States of America. You could go to the grave watching those liabilities do nothing but increase. Whether you are an owner or a manager, the person responsible for the taxes being withheld and remitted is the person the government usually holds responsible for these liabilities. Ownership of the company is irrelevant. Managers get hit with these liabilities all the time. Having these problems is no way to live. Follow the law. Hire a payroll tax processor and electronically make your deposits timely and file your returns. The few dollars it will cost you will seem like pennies when you look at the penalties and interest involved in handling this incorrectly. The 9th step on your road to success is to have your sales taxes done by a professional. Get them in on time and get them paid. Sales tax audits are absolutely miserable experiences. Every crazy little piece of paper you have ever imagined is examined. Every receipt, every invoice, every taxable or non-taxable event that went through your business is dissected. And if they start finding problems, they normally open up even more years. One of the things that triggers these audits in many states is when you don't file your returns on time or pay the liability. You don't want to have these problems. Hire a professional. Get them done correctly, get them filed, and get them paid. Not opening yourself up to a sales tax audit can save you an enormous amount of trouble, time, and money. Number 10, the final step on your road to success is don't procrastinate. Don't be afraid of your accounting and taxes. Be proactive rather than reactive. Sticking your head in the sand and expecting this stuff to handle itself and magically go away will only aggravate the situation. Every day that you wait will make it worse. If you have any issues whatsoever, you need to have someone that you trust take care of them. Don't be afraid. The worst thing that can happen is your situation will improve. Make the call. Get an accounting solution in place. Do it now. So let's review the last 5 steps on your road to success. Number 6, have a public accountant do tax planning for your entity and legally control your income taxes. Number 7, have an experienced public accountant do your income taxes. Number 8, handle your payroll taxes properly and don't fall into the independent contractor trap. Number 9, have your sales taxes done properly, get them in on time, and get them paid. And the last step, number 10, don't procrastinate or be afraid of your accounting and taxation. Be the master of your fate. Take control of your situation and get the help you need. What will happen if you follow these steps? You will have more profits and your business will be stronger. A profitable business is much easier to control and certainly more bankable. It should be much easier to get the loans you might need to expand and further improve your business. You will certainly have less problems with your taxes. They will be done by an experienced professional, so if there is an audit, it will be less or no problem at all. You will also have less interest and penalties on taxation problems, if any at all. What will all of this mean to you as a business owner or manager personally? Your life will be better. You won't have to worry about any of this anymore. You'll have more profits, less problems with your taxes, and a better future for you, your family, and your business. Thank you for listening. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, a good accountant doesn't just do financial statements and tax returns. A good accountant helps his clients attain their dreams. A good accountant protects his clients. A good accountant provides accounting solutions. Thank you for your time.